If you are looking for video editing software for tutorial videos, you should consider Camtasia. It has some necessary features to create tutorial videos. By tutorial videos, I mean screen-recorded tutorial videos. Camtasia started its journey keeping those types of videos in mind. I started my video editing using iMovie but was frustrated when I wanted to make a good tutorial video. Mainly it was so hard in iMovie to zoom into a part of the screen and stay there. Also, I was looking to quickly mark a part of the screen and object that is important to notice for the viewers. Along with other features, these two features is a piece of cake in Camtasia. Let me show you how. I want to zoom into this clip. I will take the cursor where I want the zoom in to take place. Then I press Shift-A and this small triangle appears on the timeline. I have to place the cursor after the triangle and I can adjust how it should look. This is so simple. Insert the transition to your desired place and then adjust how you want it to be. I will play this and you will see the transition. If you want the transition to take a little longer time, you can adjust this triangle length. Try this on the current video editor you are using. Camtasia offers a free trial and no credit card is required. The second feature of Camtasia I want to talk about is marking some objects. You go to Annotations and pick from a handful of designs. For example, I want this circular design to mark an object. I drag it around the object on the canvas and that marking will appear. You can choose color, adjust the thickness of the line, and draw time. There are tons of shapes and different settings and easily configurable. Let's check the animation. Camtasia saves lots of time in this kind of editing, which is very useful for tutorial videos. Camtasia also has a screen recording feature, so all the necessary things to make tutorial videos. There is one trick to get Camtasia at half price. Once your free trial ends, you are more likely to get an offer from Camtasia with half price in any of the OS. You can choose your preferred OS and you get this handy software at half price. Thanks for watching and try out the free trial. I believe you won't be disappointed.